All right, today we're going to look at parallel lines cut by transversal, but we're going to look at finding every angle measure for every single one of the 8 angles that are up here. So if we're given that this angle is 50 degrees, well, you already know from the last unit, we have a linear pair. We have 2 angles that are supplementary side by side. So a linear pair totals 180 degrees. So that means if I've got this one and this one, they're going to total 180. Well, 180 minus 50 is 130. Okay. Also from the last unit, you can go ahead and tell me these next 2 angles. The 50-degree angle is vertical to this angle. Vertical angles are the same. And we could do linear pairs here, or you could say those are vertical. Either way, the total is going to be 130. Now, a good way to double check this. I've got 4 angles that are touching from intersecting lines. Those should total 360 degrees. So if you add all 4 of these up, they should total 360, which they do in this case. All right, if you remember from our last video, we talked about corresponding angles. 130 and this angle are corresponding. Corresponding angles are the same. Now we could do the same thing we just did up here. We could say, okay, that's a linear pair, so those are the same. Those are going to be vertical, so they're the same. Those are vertical, so they're the same. Doesn't matter. You can also look at it though as this is an interior angle, so the opposite interior, the alternate interior, is going to be the same thing. Exterior angle, so the alternate exterior is going to be the same thing. Okay, and then we could look at any other one to figure out this last one, but you guys can tell me that is 130 degrees.